This way.
I meant through that way, but it's all right. I'll take it.
I gotta brush my hair. It looks like it needs fighting. Look at Charles. I'm going to show us my blue boo.
Yeah, but we gotta hurry because class is gonna start.
Okay.
Hurry up, Miss Grounds is on.
Hi.
Good morning. Good morning, guys. We have about 8 more minutes. So hang tight. We have Nate here, Christopher here, and Jada here so far. Looks like maybe Griffin is still in Blackboard. He should be here in a little bit. And we'll wait for just a little bit and then we'll get started in about 7.5 minutes, okay? All right, we have about 5 more minutes, so hang tight. I see Nate has a whiteboard doing something. That's a great way to wait your time. Very good job, Nate. Very good. And I see Jada's just chilling out. Good job, Jada. Christopher's just chilling out. Nice job. Griffin's hanging out. Very good. We'll start in about 4 minutes, guys.
Miss Grimes?
Quiet.
Good morning. Good morning to those that just popped in. Hello, hello. Glad you're here. We have just a couple minutes and we will get started. I bet you we'll have a couple other kiddos join us, but we'll start right at 9 o'clock. Glad you're here. All right. I don't see anybody else in Blackboard that's not over here. So I think I will go ahead and get started. Good morning, guys. I am happy to see your faces this Wednesday morning. We'll go ahead and get
Hey, Miss
started.
Grimes?
Hold on, Nate. Mrs. Grimes is talking. Please wait. All right. Oh, there's one. Let me let Elizabeth in. Good morning. Good morning. Let's see who's here. If you hear your name, you may turn on your microphone and let us know that you're here. Let's see. Is Miss, let me give her a minute, get her audio set up. Oh, come. Is Miss Elizabeth here?
Yes.
Good morning, Elizabeth.
Morning.
Good morning. Glad you're here. All right. Is Griffin here? I'm here. Hi, good morning,
Say
Griffin.
hi.
Hi,
Use your
buddy.
words. Say, use,
Hi.
use your words.
Hi, Griffin.
Say hi.
Did you get permission? Guess what?
What?
You know what? I think two-way. I
You say-
think two-way.
You do?
He's drinking Kool-Aid, he said.
Oh, and here comes
It's hard.
Maya. Yeah, well, awesome. I'm glad you're here, Griffin. Griffin's here. Let me let Maya in. And and Christopher. Is Christopher here?
I am.
Christopher's here.
One more thing.
Good morning, Christopher.
Don't we do our good morning song still?
Sure. Hold on a second, okay? I don't see Evan. Is Evan here? I don't see Evan. And Eric. Is Eric here?
Yes.
There's Eric. Eric, I'm so glad you're here. Let's see. That's Eric. Is Billie Jean here?
Yes, this is Ryan.
Good morning, Billie Jean. Is Miss Jada here?
Yes, I'm here.
Miss Jada's here. Good morning. Is Aaron here? I don't think I see Aaron. Nope. And Nate, it is your turn. Nate, are you here?
Yeah.
Hello, Nate. Good morning.
So I got this blue pencil and I'm making a.
Awesome. Well, good morning. I'm glad you're here. Is Miles S here? I haven't seen, I don't think I saw Miles yet. And Hope, is Hope here?
Hello.
There she is. I see her. Good morning, Hope. Let's go back up here. I think I saw, is Miss Maya here?
Yes.
Miss Maya's here. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning to you. All right. I think I got it. Raise your hand if I did not call you. Oh, Nate, put your hand down. I called you silly goose. All right. I think we have one other kiddo coming in. Miles should be popping in any minute, but we're going to go ahead and start our good morning song real quick because I have a video I do want to share with you today about recycling. So I want to hurry up and get to that. All right. Good morning song coming up. Get out of the way. There we go. I think I got it.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Good morning. Good morning. Hello, and how are you? Early in the morning, I say good morning. Hello, and how are you?
Good morning. Good morning. Hello, and how are you? Early in the morning, I say good morning. Hello, and how are you?
Good morning. Hello, and how are you? Okay, let me get back to our PowerPoint. I hope that woke you up and you're ready for your day. Okay, I saw a couple other pop in. Miles S., are you here this morning?
Yes.
Awesome. Good morning, Miles. Let's see. Let's see. Jaylee, if you can hear me, are you here this morning? Would you like to turn your microphone on?
Oh.
Hello, good morning. Glad you're here. Okay, so I think we're going to jump right into our video about recycling. So you guys have learned a lot this week. Here's our words to know: furnace, liquid, recycle, solid, waste. And we used all those words during our story this week, or during our article this week. So let's actually go through a couple questions first before we hold on one second. This is going to make some noise. I think there we go. Before we go on to our video, I'm going to go back to our story for just a minute. Hold on.
Hey!
There we go. Let's see. Let me go back here. And let's talk about a couple questions through this lesson, and then we'll go to our video I found. It's like a virtual field trip to a recycling center. Okay, so our story for the week: recycling is smart. So we talked about our bottle. Remember our bottle? Yesterday we talked a little bit how the bottle, you guys told me the bottle first gets cleaned. I think Billie Jean was the one that told us it gets cleaned first, right? And then we sort them into colors next. And then they crunch them up right here in the picture. And then they put them in that furnace. Do you remember all that? And then after they put it in the furnace, and then they put it into that, what? Do you remember what they do after they put it in the furnace? Do you remember what they do after they put it in the furnace? What do they do next with that hot liquid? Remember to raise your hand. What do they do with the hot liquid next? What do they do with that hot liquid? I'll call on a couple of you, okay? First, let's do Miles S. What do you think they do with that hot liquid? What did the story say?
They mod.
Yep. Okay. Let's see. Nate, how would you like to say it? What do they do with it? Good job, Miles.
Liquid went into the cup.
Okay. How would you like to say it, Jaylee? What do they do with that hot liquid?
They make it back into a glass bottle.
Okay. All three of you said it in a different way. Does anybody else want to tell us what they did with that hot liquid? Oh, Jaylee, push. There you go. And then Miles, do you need some help?
We can't. It's his speak.
Oh, sorry. I just muted you. Is that okay? Okay. So all three of you, oh, Christopher, go ahead. What do they do with it after it's out in the furnace?
Well, after they put it in mold, and then it turns back into a solid, and then it's new.
Yeah. So all of you guys said it in a different way, but meant the same thing, didn't they? So it goes through the furnace and it makes it back into, or makes it into a liquid, and then they pour it into a mold. Miles said that word mold, and puts it into a mold that looks like a bottle, and then it gets hard and it turns into a new glass. Lots of you use the word new, a new glass. So it could become something new. Very good. All right. So this is the main question that I want you to get out of this lesson and this week. Why is it smart to recycle things like bottles and cans? Why is it smart? This story is called Recycling is Smart. So why is it smart to recycle things like bottles and cans? I want everyone to have an answer. Even if you tell your learning coach, I want you to have an answer. Why is it smart to recycle things like bottles and cans? Why do we want to make things or reuse things out of old things? Why do we want to do that? Everybody have an answer, and you can tell your adult there, or you can raise your hand. Why do we want to recycle? All right, let's see what the ones with their hands up have to say. And if you don't have your hand up, make sure you've told someone, okay? Nate, why is it smart to recycle?
Because I'm a crush it.
So you can crush it, okay? Let's listen to everybody else's now. Christopher, why is it smart to recycle?
Because it can turn into new things.
Then you have new things, okay? Hope, why is it smart to recycle?
What did I say?
What did you say? It keeps what?
The earth cleaned.
Tell her.
Keeps the earth cleaned.
Yeah, so it's not dirty like the last week when we had the trash everywhere. Yeah. Billie Jean, why is it smart to recycle? Say it one more time, a little bit louder, sweetie. Yeah, so we save those resources. Very good. Miles S., go ahead.
So trash isn't all over the world.
Yeah, very good. Jaylee, go ahead. Why is it smart to recycle?
Because they make new things.
Okay, so we're making new things. Anybody else with their hands up? All right, so smart. Go ahead, Maya. Why is it smart to recycle?
Because you have to pick it up.
Okay, so we're picking it up instead of leaving it on the ground, and we're making new things of it. Vida, did you want to answer? Why is it smart to recycle? Did you have your hand up?
Yes.
Why is it smart to recycle?
To put soda cans in the trash can.
Yeah. And why do we want to do that? Why do we want to do that instead of leaving them everywhere?
Because we are littering.
Yeah, we don't want to litter, do we?
No.
Hope, go ahead. Go ahead, Hope. Hope, did you have your hand up, sweetie? No? Okay. All right. So recycling is so smart because we don't want to leave it all out there, and our trash keeps filling up and up and up and up, and we don't have anywhere to put it. Do you think that you would want to live with trash all around you? No way, Jose. That would be yucky. So if we take some things and we make them into something else that we can use, then we won't have trash everywhere. We can reuse things. So we want to make sure that we're reusing things instead of just throwing them away. Okay, so I did, like I said, I found a video of a field trip to a recycling center. So let's see what they have to say and have to teach us, okay? So let's see what they're going to teach us. All right, let's see. There we go.
Does anyone know what that is? They are recyclables. Recyclables are waste materials from our homes that can be remade into new things. Let's head into the recycling center. My friend Jean Marie will show us what they do there. Yay! Wow! Look at all these recyclables!
That's right, Penny. And the exciting thing is, all these old jars, containers, and other materials are going to be made into something new. So once these objects get processed here at our plant, these piles will be gone, and we'll have room for even more recyclables.
Wow! That makes me think. What would happen if all this stuff wasn't recycled? What would happen if you never picked up the dirty clothes in your room?
They'd be everywhere. I wouldn't have anything to wear.
That's right. By helping your mom and dad pick up your clothes, you are making sure that you have a nice, clean room to sleep and play in. Also, your clothes are being washed and reused.
And our planet is the same way. If we keep things tidy and recycle, we will have more space to live, and we can reuse materials instead of letting them clutter up the planet.
So, what is one way to make sure that animals have a place to sleep and clean water to drink?
Recycle!
That's great! Helping the planet can be so easy.
Sure can. Now, let's see how we can get these recyclables sorted and sent on their way.
Sounds great!
And away it goes.
As this trash makes its way through the sorting system, it will be divided into materials that are alike. These materials are all separated into groups. What is the same about these objects?
They're all made of plastic.
That's correct. They're all made of plastic. Great comparison.
The recyclable plastic and cans are separated from the trash.
How can they think that fast?
We have to be very good at finding things that are alike and grouping them together. For instance, can you tell which one of these is plastic and which one is aluminum? Which one do you think is plastic?
That
And which one is aluminum?
We could have this gang working here in no time.
In order to find out how we separate the cans, we have to move a little bit further down the line. Do you notice anything interesting about how the trash falls into the chutes?
The cans fall further.
Yes, this machine sorts the cans by itself. And what is the end result of all this sorting and comparison?
Let me show you.
Wow, look at that. Do you notice anything about this bale of materials?
They're all made of plastic.
And what about this one?
They're all made of paper.
Very good. This bale of paper, when it's recycled, is equal to 17 trees. It's because we know how to sort and compare that we can make this happen. Plastic, glass, and aluminum can be recycled indefinitely. You never have to throw them away.
Yes, and because of recycling, these containers can be remade into a new useful item.
The journey of recyclable materials is made possible with modern-day technology. What different pieces of equipment helped them along their way today?
Okay, I'm gonna stop there, and I might give you this the link to finish it later. But oh my goodness, can you believe all those things were able to be smushed all together and sorted that quickly? Do you think you could stand there and sort that fast and go, oh, that one's plastic, that one's a can, that one's plastic, that one's paper? Whoa, they were going fast, weren't they? Holy cow, that was really, really fast. So now they did explain a little bit more about why we recycle, why recycling is smart, didn't they? They told us that recycling is smart because our animals, our world will have a better place, and it won't fill up with trash, right? So very good. So guys, there is if you're here, if you're ready for this lesson, this is in your book, and you probably can't see the page, can you? No, you cannot. Let's see, where are you? Right here. It is page LC11. And you can color the recycling poster. So remember that every time we find something that we can recycle, make something new out of something, we help our animals and we help our world become a better place. And not just throwing things away, but recycle them and make them into something new. All right, learning coaches, I'm going to throw this in the chat box. If you would like to finish this video with kiddos, it is in the chat box. You can grab a hold of that link if you would like it and put it in your browser. And we are going to go ahead and say goodbye for now. But you can do this page if that's where you are in your lessons. I believe this is 3.3. So unit 3, lesson 3, if that's where you are in your lessons. And let's go ahead and say bye for now. Don't forget to make things out of old things. Reuse. Okay. Oh, I see Elizabeth give me a high five. Thank you, Elizabeth. And a pounds. Oh, and those squeezes. Thank you, guys. And you may turn on mics and say goodbye to your friends.
Bye.
See you guys.
Today. Bye, 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 bye.
Say bye.
Good job.
Bye, guys.
I
See you
want to
later.
wave instead.
Oh, you're unmuted. Say bye. Say bye bye. Say bye bye. Bye bye. Say bye bye. Say bye bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Say bye bye.
Bye, 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 bye.
Bye, Maya.
Bye.
Bye, Jaylee. Bye, girls. I'm going to go ahead and log us out. Have a good day. I'm going to log us out.